Hey everyone, welcome back to Speakora English Flow, your cozy corner for learning real, natural English. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jolly. Hello, hello, English learners.
How's your morning going, Jolly?
Honestly, a little embarrassing.
Uh-oh, what happened?
I went to get coffee before we started recording, and the barista asked me something, and I just panicked. I said yes to a question I didn't even understand.
What did she ask you?
No idea. I think it was about milk. Right now, I genuinely don't know what's in my cup.
Okay, that is exactly why we're doing today's episode.
Please save me.
Today, we're talking about ordering coffee in English, the whole coffee shop conversation. Every question they might ask you, every phrase you need, all of it.
Yes, I needed this an hour ago, but okay, better late than never.
Can I ask you all something? Have you ever walked into a coffee shop and your English is actually fine? You can hold a whole conversation. But the second the barista starts talking fast, asking about sizes and milk and for here or to go, your brain just goes blank?
That was me 1 hour ago.
It happens to so many learners. It's not that your English isn't good enough. It's that nobody actually teaches you this specific conversation. It's fast, it's full of small choices, and it's over in about 10 seconds.
10 seconds and I already lost.
You didn't lose, you just got a mystery drink. By the end of this episode, that's not happening to you again. We're walking through a real coffee shop conversation, breaking down every phrase and giving you exactly what to say, plus a few things baristas ask that almost nobody ever teaches.
I want that in writing.
And before we start, wherever your English is right now, whether ordering coffee already feels easy or this genuinely stresses you out, you're in exactly the right place. Getting caught off guard by a fast question isn't a sign you're behind. It just means nobody's walked you through it yet. That's what today is for.
I felt that personally.
Quick reminder before we dive in, if Speakora is helping your English, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because we're here with a new episode every single day. And if today helps you, share it with someone whose coffee order needs rescuing too.
Like me, share it with me.
You're already subscribed, Jolly.
Just checking.
Okay, let's start with a real conversation. Jolly, you're the customer, again, and I'll be the barista. Ready?
Ready. Please don't ask me about milk.
No promises. Here we go. Hi, welcome in. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure thing. Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Great. We've got vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut syrup if you want to add any flavor, or plain is totally fine too.
Just a little vanilla, please.
Perfect. Can I get a name for the order?
It's Jolly.
Got it, Jolly. That'll be $4.75. For here or to go?
To go, please.
No problem. We'll call your name when it's ready.
Thank you.
See? That's the whole thing. That's the exact conversation that panics so many learners.
Okay, when you say it slowly like that, it actually makes total sense.
It always does. Let's break it down, piece by piece. First line, what can I get started for you today? One of the most common ways baristas greet you in English, especially in the US. It just means, what would you like to order?
I always thought get started meant like starting a project.
Such a normal mistake. Here, it's just a friendly way to ask. You'll also hear, what can I get for you? Or simply, what would you like? All three mean exactly the same thing.
Okay, got it.
Next, hot or iced. Simple, but important, because if you don't answer, they'll just guess, and you might end up with the wrong drink.
Which has happened to me with milk today.
We know. Next, for here or to go. You'll hear this at almost every coffee shop, restaurant, or fast food place in English. For here means you're staying to drink it there. To go means you're taking it with you.
I actually knew that one.
Good. One mistake learners often make, some say take away instead of to go. That's completely correct in British English, but in American English, to go sounds much more natural. Depends where you are, but to go is the safest choice almost everywhere.
Noted. To go, not take away unless I'm in London.
Exactly. Last one from that conversation. We'll call your name when it's ready. This just means wait and listen for your name. Simple, but stressful if you don't understand it and you're standing there confused when they finally call you.
Honestly, that's happened to me in my own language, too.
Fair enough. Now, let's make it a little more real because coffee orders don't always go this smoothly. Second conversation, this time something changes halfway through.
Oh no, what happens this time?
You'll see. I'm the barista again. Hi there, what can I get for you?
Hi, could I get a large cappuccino, please? Oh, actually, do you have oat milk?
We do. Would you like that instead of regular milk?
Yes, please. And could I get an extra shot of espresso?
Of course. So that's a large cappuccino, oat milk with an extra shot. Anything else?
That's everything, thank you.
Great. That'll be $5.50. Is that for here?
Actually, to go, please. Oh, and could I get a little room for cream at the top?
Sure thing. No problem.
Room for cream? I don't think I've ever heard that one.
Such a useful phrase. It means, please don't fill the cup all the way. Leave a little space so I can add my own cream or milk. Baristas hear it constantly, but almost no textbook teaches it.
I would have just gotten a completely full cup and struggled.
Exactly why we're covering it. And notice, Jolly's customer changed the order halfway through. Actually, do you have oat milk? Actually, to go, please. That word actually is great for correcting yourself mid-sentence without sounding awkward.
I use actually a lot, apparently.
It works well here. Native speakers change their minds mid-order constantly. Completely normal, not rude at all. One more useful moment, sometimes the order just comes out wrong. Say they hand you a hot coffee when you ordered iced. Here's how to fix that politely without it feeling awkward.
Oh, this happens to me constantly. Sorry, I think I actually ordered this iced. Would you mind checking?
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me fix that for you right away.
That sounds so much better than what I usually do, which is take the wrong drink and just suffer quietly.
So many learners do exactly that. But would you mind checking is polite, clear, and gets it fixed immediately. No awkwardness at all.
Using that phrase tomorrow.
Your turn, Jolly. I'll ask you a few questions like a real barista would, and you answer naturally. Ready?
Nervous but ready.
Hi, welcome in. What can I get started for you today?
Can I get a small iced coffee, please?
Good. Would you like room for milk?
Yes, please. Just a little.
See, already better than this morning.
I'm a changed man.
One more. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please. I'm in a hurry.
Perfect answer. And that little extra, I'm in a hurry, is a nice natural touch. You don't need it, but it makes your English sound like a real conversation instead of short answers.
I felt very confident just now.
You should. That's exactly how it works in real life. Let's go through the vocabulary, the words and phrases you'll hear most in a coffee shop, so nothing surprises you again.
Please, save future me.
1. For here or to go. We covered that. 2. Room for cream, leaving space in the cup. 3. A shot of espresso, one small, strong serving of coffee. You'll hear, can I add an extra shot? All the time. 4. Decaf, coffee without caffeine.
I did not know decaf was short for something.
Decaffeinated. 5. The usual, when a regular customer orders the same thing every time. I'll have the usual is something you'll hear from regulars.
I want a usual one day. Feels like a life goal.
6. On the house, meaning free, a gift from the shop. 7. Keep the change, telling them not to give your small coins back as a little tip. 8. Top it off, when they add a little more coffee to your cup for free, usually if you're staying to drink it there. 9. A refill, getting your cup filled again, often free at diners or some coffee shops.
10.
11. Grab a seat or have a seat. Go sit down, we'll bring it over, or call your name. 11. Closing time. Good to know if you're planning a long conversation there.
12.
13. Black coffee. No milk, no sugar, nothing added. 14. A splash of milk, just a tiny amount. And 15. To stay, which some places use instead of for here.
Same meaning, different wording.
15 phrases. My coffee order is going to sound so professional now.
It really will. A few real-life tips. Not really rules, but they'll make you sound much more natural.
Tips, please.
First, never say, "I want a coffee." Completely understandable, but it can sound a little blunt, even rude in English. Instead, say, "Could I get a coffee, please?" Or, "I'll have a coffee, please." Small change, much more polite.
I think I've said I want my whole life.
Most learners have. It's a very direct translation from a lot of languages, but English ordering culture leans more indirect and polite.
Noted forever.
Second, for here or to go is asked almost everywhere in English-speaking countries, not just coffee shops. Restaurants, bakeries, fast food. Learn it once, use it everywhere.
Efficient.
Third, and this one trips up almost everyone, sizes. A lot of coffee chains don't use small, medium, large. They use their own words, like tall, grande, venti. And if you don't know them, the whole order gets confusing fast.
I've stood there so confused about this before.
If you're ever unsure what a size word means, it's completely fine to just ask, "Sorry, which size is that?" Or even simpler, "What's your smallest size?" Baristas explain it constantly. You're not bothering anyone.
That's actually really reassuring.
And if a shop uses regular sizing, small, medium, large, works everywhere, every time.
Good backup plan.
Fourth, tipping culture varies a lot by country, but many English-speaking coffee shops have a small tip jar by the register. You're never required to tip, but keep the change is an easy, casual way to leave a small one if you want to.
Good to know, culturally.
And last, if you don't understand a question, it's completely fine to say, "Sorry, could you say that again?" Baristas hear that constantly, from native speakers too. Not embarrassing at all.
I needed to hear that this morning.
Next time, just ask again instead of guessing. Let's put everything together. One full, natural coffee shop conversation using pretty much everything we covered today.
Let's do it. Being brave this time.
Hi, welcome in. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, could I get a medium cappuccino, please? Actually, do you have oat milk?
We do, yes.
Perfect. Oat milk then. And could I get a little room for cream at the top?
Of course. Anything else?
That's everything, thank you. Oh, is that for here or to go?
I was about to ask you that.
Sorry, force of habit now.
No problem at all. So, for here or to go?
To go, please. I'm meeting a friend to catch up.
Nice. That'll be $4.95, and we'll call your name when it's ready.
Thank you so much.
See that? Real, natural, and every single phrase we practiced today is right there.
I genuinely feel ready to order coffee in English now.
That's the whole goal. Quick review before we go. Today we learned for here or to go, room for cream, a shot of espresso, decaf, the usual, on the house, keep the change, top it off, a refill, grab a seat, closing time, catch up over coffee, black coffee, a splash of milk, and to stay.
15 phrases, and somehow I remember all of them now.
That's what happens when you learn through a real conversation instead of a list.
True.
So, here's a question for everyone listening. What's your usual coffee order? Or tea if coffee's not your thing. Write it in the comments. In English, we read every single one.
And tell us, did any of today's phrases surprise you? Room for cream surprised me the most, personally.
Mine too, honestly. If you enjoyed today's episode, the next one in this series is waiting for you right now. Just tap it and keep practicing with us.
Or if you want more real-life conversations like this one, we've put them all together in one playlist. It's right there, waiting.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Keep practicing, keep ordering, hopefully with the right milk this time.
We'll see you tomorrow with another episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.